Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech West. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change password on your iPhone. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So then without any further delay, let us get started. First thing, you need to open up your settings application on your iPhone, and once you open up your settings application, swipe down and then click on Face ID and passcode. And once you tap on Face ID and passcode, you'll be directed to this page. So on this page you need to click on change passcode, which is right in between. So before changing or creating a new passcode, so first of all, you'll have to enter your old passcode for the confirmation, and after that you'll be directed to the page where you'll be able to change your password. You also have a variation of options, so then what you need to do is, in order to access the option, just click on passcode option, which is right in between. And once you do that, a drop down menu will appear. So from there you have three different options, so you can select it accordingly. And then so once you're done entering the passcode, once again you have to type in again for the confirmation, and once you're done, tap on save in the top right, and after that you've successfully changed your password on your iPhone. So that is how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.